everyone. For this video, I will be teaching you how you can unrestrict someone on your messenger. First step, open your messenger account and make sure that you are logged in. To restrict someone, you just have to swipe left your conversation, press more, and press the restrict button. This will move your chat out of sight, hide your activity, but you can unrestrict anytime. Now, just click the blue restrict button at the bottom of your screen to restrict that account. Now, to unrestrict the account, press the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, press Settings, and go to Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll see restricted accounts, and the list of all the accounts that you've restricted will appear here. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an Unrestrict button, and you just have to press that for that account to go back to your messenger. And that's how you restrict and unrestrict someone on Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.